Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a voucher code on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a voucher code, or maybe perhaps your company provided you with one. Where do you actually go ahead and enter that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to find this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then scroll down, and where it says Vouchers, click on Add Voucher Code. So this is where you're going to go ahead and enter a voucher code in order to claim your free ride or ride credit. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a voucher code to the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all